Kusenjalo uMphathiswa uLebogang Mayile uthetha ngokungagungqiyo ngokuchasene nokuhlaselwa komhlaba. Mayile uthi lo mba obambe ilizwe ngobhongwana unobunzima kwaye uphazamisa izicwangciso zikarhulumente.
There's an issue about land invasion, which I think, because we don't build to treasure, we give people money. So the people who are building, which will be roads, human settlement, must deal with that. But remember, the reason it's invasion, it's because it's illegal. It's not planned. So if the department has planned that we're going to build houses on this piece of land, remember when you plan, sometimes it can take 18 months, by the way, because you must have an architect, you must put bulk, you must do a whole range of things before you build. So as you are busy with that process, people could decide to invade. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you are not planning properly, because it's an illegal activity. So you don't even anticipate it because it's illegal.